The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is a stunning testament to Ferrari's engineering prowess and design excellence. Renowned for its track-oriented capabilities and open-top driving experience, this supercar combines blistering performance with breathtaking aesthetics, making it a dream come true for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. At the heart of the 488 Pista Spider is a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which produces an astonishing 710 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. This powerplant, derived from Ferrari's racing heritage, ensures that the Pista Spider delivers exceptional performance both on and off the track. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides seamless gear changes and contributes to the car's impressive acceleration. The 488 Pista Spider can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of over 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest convertibles in the world. The design of the 488 Pista Spider is both functional and beautiful. Ferrari has employed advanced aerodynamics to ensure optimal performance at high speeds. The front S-duct, rear diffusers, and the active aerodynamics system all work together to provide exceptional downforce and stability. The lightweight materials used in the construction of the car, including extensive use of carbon fiber, reduce the overall weight and enhance performance. The exterior styling is aggressive yet elegant, with sculpted lines and an athletic stance that reflects the car's dynamic capabilities. The 488 Pista Spider is available in a variety of striking colors, each highlighting the car's curves and aerodynamic features. Inside the 488 Pista Spider, Ferrari has created an environment that balances luxury with a focus on driving. The cabin is trimmed with high-quality materials such as Alcantara and carbon fiber, which not only add to the luxurious feel but also help keep the weight down. The seats are designed to provide maximum support during spirited driving, and the driving position is optimized for performance. Despite its track-focused nature, the 488 Pista Spider does not skimp on comfort or technology. The car is equipped with Ferrari's latest infotainment system, which includes navigation, audio, and connectivity features. The open-top experience is enhanced by the retractable hardtop, which can be operated at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and takes just 14 seconds to deploy or retract. Driving the 488 Pista Spider is an exhilarating experience. The combination of the powerful V8 engine, precise handling, and advanced aerodynamics makes for a car that is both thrilling and rewarding to drive. The car's suspension system, which includes Ferrari's magnetorheological dampers, provides excellent handling and ride comfort, even on less-than-perfect roads. The steering is responsive and provides excellent feedback, allowing the driver to feel connected to the road. The braking system, with carbon ceramic brakes, offers exceptional stopping power, ensuring that the car can be brought to a halt quickly and safely. The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is not just a car, it is a statement of exclusivity and performance. With a limited production run, it is a highly sought-after vehicle among collectors and enthusiasts. The combination of its performance, design, and open-top driving experience makes it a unique offering in the supercar market. In conclusion, the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider is all the supercar you will ever need. It delivers a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity, making it a pinnacle of automotive engineering. Whether on the track or cruising along a scenic route, the 488 Pista Spider offers an unforgettable driving experience that is hard to match. For those fortunate enough to own one, it represents the ultimate expression of Ferrari's commitment to excellence and innovation in the world of supercars.